In this video I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom URL for your YouTube channel on 2020. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to satisfy these three conditions. The first one is you need to have at least 100 subscribers, your channel must be old for 30 days, and your channel must have this profile picture and this channel art on your YouTube channel. Okay, so these are the three conditions that you need to satisfy, otherwise you are not eligible for having a custom URL. Okay, so as you can see right now, I am having this channel's URL very big and it doesn't make any sense, as you can see. So I'm gonna change this URL with a custom URL right now. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to click on this YouTube Studio, okay, or you can just click on your channel icon and go to this YouTube Studio, okay, whatever. So I have opened this on different tab. So now you need to click on the settings, okay. So as you click on settings, you need to go on channel and you need to go on features, eligibility, and now you need to click on status and features. So it will take you to this new page. So as you can see now, here there is an option that is called custom URL. You are eligible for a custom URL, claim it here, because I have satisfied the three conditions. Okay, so I will just click on this enable and it will take me to the new page. Now as you can see, this is the page of custom URL, and now there is a thing written right here, custom URL. You are eligible for custom URL, claim it here. So I will just click on that, and this will take me to something like this, get a custom URL. Here's how you will look on YouTube. So this is my custom URL, youtube.com/c/earningapp-reviews, or I can add a suffix if I want, if I want to add something like official or something. So as you can see, there is a green tick, that means this is available, but I don't need anything. I need this only my name, Earning App Reviews, and just click on this tick mark and now click on this change URL. And now my YouTube channel will look like my YouTube URL will look like something like this, /Earning App Reviews. By the way, this is my second channel. Okay, so I will confirm choice. And now it's working, and it will be ready pretty soon. So as soon as I just change my URL to Earning App Reviews, so as you can see, my custom URL has been generated, and this is my URL that is for this channel. Okay, so you can change this URL, and I will be creating a video on next video on that, like how to change your custom URL after creating it. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel and press the bell icon and make it on. I hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, then make sure you hit a like and let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.